have a truck with bad coolant tank, what happens, it gives the signal that the coolant level is low, but I check everything. Coolant is fine. I check wire harness. We even swap the sensors, and it's still showing the level is low. Floating device inside the tank stuck on the bottom and it's not going up. That's why it gives the error code that the coolant is low. So we are going to drain all the coolant and then replace the tank. Unfortunately, somebody replaced a radiator and they did not install the drain fitting connector, which actually not big a problem, but we are going to lose some coolant and we will go from there. Drain everything just to make sure, just enough to replace tank. Definitely someone replaced this and put wrong bolts. Put the new one. So we are going to cut right here. Then I will kind of like heat up that portion to kind of bend it and then insert it to the pressure valve. So we're going to lubricate a little bit here. This is silicone. So we are going to put right bolts. So usually it's actually supposed to be MM8. Make sure you're not installing a long bolts here. Otherwise, it might, if it's too long, it will break the plastic top on the radiator. So first off, just tight hand, so make sure it's kind of loose. So from the other side, this one definitely supposed to be. I mean, it's your preference. Whatever, if you don't have all the bolts matching, that's fine. It's just my preference to put it the right ones. You can tight. So when you tight everything here, then you can tight on the top. That's it. This is how it's supposed to be, but if you remember, it was from here, this one on the top, and I don't know, it doesn't look to me right way. So if you think this short, you can actually pull it more if you want it. Yeah. Yeah, so that's good. So we just need to tie it here. So now this bracket. A second, how was it? Just like that. Yeah. So as you can see, the process is not that complicated, and like I said, sometimes that the low coolant level error is just because of the tank. So if you are not subscribed, I encourage you to do so, and if you have comments below or questions, if you have comments or questions for me, just write in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.